Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making sparkling kisses. Mwah! Delicious. These are meringues. Meringue is so easy to make. Bunch of egg whites, you beat them together, they make stiff peaks, you add some sugar, stick them in the oven and go watch a movie. They're going to be in the oven for around 1.5 to 3 hours, depending on what consistency you want. This is a no-brainer. We're making them because it's Valentine's Day, and who doesn't love sparkling kisses? And also because let's make this kiss so light and fluffy, truly yummy. Non-fat treat satisfies your sweet tooth and your tummy. Tummy? Well, yeah, kinda. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. This recipe comes together so quickly, which is fantastic. You just have to wait while it's in the oven to cook and then to fully cool. So, the choice is yours. What are you going to do with your meringues? Are you going to make them into a Hershey's Kiss-like shape? Are you going to scoop it with a tablespoon scooper? Another choice, good choice. You could shape it into the shape of a heart. I'm going to put different sparkling sugars on mine and also include chocolate chips. I'll put food coloring in. I'm just going to have a lot of fun. Let's do this. 4 egg whites, beat until foamy. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar, which helps stabilize the egg whites. Beat again. Gradually add 1/2 cup of sugar, little at a time. Wait for it to form stiff peaks and be thick and glossy. If it can stand upside down and still have a peak, it is there and ready. Stir in whatever extract you choose. This is a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I am going to stir in gently, more like fold in. When you're stirring in your extract, you want to be sure not to lose any air. I'm using a star tip so I can get that kiss shape, but feel free again to use a tablespoon, cookie scoop, whatever you like. You can even do it freehand. I have plans for the other half, so I'm only going to put half of it in here. Drop on your cookie sheet. Now's the time when you want to sprinkle them with your sparkling sugar. So I have some regular sparkling sugar here. But I also have some pink sparkling sugar, which I'm going to put on some of the others to make it very festive for Valentine's Day. With the leftovers, I'm going to add in chocolate chips because it is divine when you have meringue with chocolate. So just add in a couple handfuls, totally your discretion. To make them even prettier, I'm going to add in some food coloring, just a couple drops. Let's fold it in. I have a separate bag with an open tip that I'm pretty sure the chocolate chips will go through, but we'll play this one by ear. All right, here we go. Bake your meringue for 1 hour, and then you turn the oven off and you let them cool naturally in the oven. This is going to make for a lovely texture to the meringue. Timer's up, hour's up, just turn off the oven, that's it. Just like that. If you want a chewy center, let it sit in the oven for another hour and a half to 2 hours. If you want a crisp meringue all the way through, 2.5, 3 hours. Let it sit in the oven, no peeking, leave the heat in there. It's been 2 hours, it's time to take them out. They look lovely, just like they did when I put them in. Let's taste them. Look at these lovely meringue treats. All the varieties I made. I literally just picked them up off of the cookie sheet and put them on the plate. But you can see the little kisses with the sparkling pink sugar and the hearts with the pink and the red throughout with the chocolate chips. And you can see the little open heart I did. Yay! Now let's try them. Inspection time. The ones with the pink sparkling sugar look fantastic. The sugar doesn't fall off of it. Excellent. They look delightful and festive and sweet. They are nice and firm. Let's take a bite. Just melt in your mouth. It's got that egg white lightness and the sugar sweetness coming throughout. I think we only owe it to ourselves to try one of the chocolate chip ones. The hearts look equally good. You can see those peaks there from the meringue. They are solid in the back. Fantastic. Let's take a bite. Sugar and chocolate. What could be better? You can see that chocolate chips there. It's slightly chewy inside. It is delicious. You can keep these in an airtight container for up to a month. I know mine won't last that long, but you can try. If I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going back for more.